Hey guys, I hope you all are good and you all are doing great in your life. So again, I come back front of you to take a new video. And hey guys, today I'm not going to share with you guys about English language. Yeah, I will speak English, but I'll give you suggestion like how you can grow in your life, like which kind of things you need to do in your life, then you will grow. Because everyone we want to live a good life, everyone we want to live a like we want to provide a good life to our family. But what the thing we are doing? Just we are doing similar thing what the other people are doing, and we are expecting the other things from our life. Yeah, it is possible, it is not possible, guys. It is not possible. So you have to do extra thing. So what can you do? Just you think deeply, like where in a day, like last you have spent like right now you're 20 year, 18 year, 30 year, 40 year, like which kind of activity you did and you achieve that thing. So you need to do, you don't need to do that activity, you should do other extra thing. You should see the people, like which kind of things people are doing and they are achieving the things in their life. So you should not feel shy and just you should start working on that. If the people are nowadays content creators and there are many people, they think that it's the people they are achieving, they are living a good life through the content creation. Okay, so you can also be a content creator. Okay, so why are you thinking like why you are feeling shy? Like if you want to some big thing, and if you are just feeling shy while doing this thing, how you will get that thing? You should think the in a movie, like which kind of part you have seen. Okay, like they have to acting, so everything is acting. You should not do that really thing. Okay, you should acting, like it's a what, while acting you can earn money while doing acting. Like in which, first of all you have to think what can you give to the audience, what can you give to the things to audience, why they will watch your video, why. First of all, when your why is clear, at that time you will start creating some new things. So I hope you may understand whatever I want to say. And guys, just you have to think deeply, where are you spending your time? You should not spend your time there, you should not waste your time there. And when you will not wasting, when you will control yourself, at that time you will start improving yourself. Yeah. And negative things you should live, like why are you feeling negative? Just you think like which kind of things you should do that they will make you positive, they will make you feel positive. So you should do that thing. Okay. And while do while doing those things you will improve, you will achieve the things. So guys, and have patience. One thing, if today you want to something, you maybe today you will not get, tomorrow you will not get, but if continuously you want that thing, definitely one day you will get that thing. So have patience, keep working on that. Just I want to say this thing, guys. And another thing, one thing that, like just you think, you have to focus little deeply. Why the people are doing lots of work in their life, they are not achieving the things. It's one thing you always repeat. If you want to be a rich person, you have to become master. You have to give some thing that the many people use that thing. You can see the just like a car manufacturing where I was working. So it is just he was just manufacturing one car, but he is manufacturing a large amount. Like its quantity was lakh. Okay, for just do one thing, just you improve one thing in your career, just you focus in one thing and just you give that thing to people. While doing this thing, you can easily achieve lots of things. Through my perspective, the people, the some people are doing business, and they what they are doing, they are everywhere. You will find this is the common thing, that they're doing the same thing but in large quantity. Okay, this thing realize. So what can you do? Yeah, definitely. Like you have also skill, but through those skill, can you give to many people? Not. So like if a worker, he's doing uh like he's working, so semestrally one time he can like do at a place he can't do. But while the teacher, he can teach, he can teach on YouTube, and the many people they can watch their video. Okay. So the worker, he can work, but if worker while he is working, if he will upload video, the many people will also watch that. There are one thing famous in blogs, so they can also do. And don't feel shy. Where are you? Just you start yourself and have big dream. Definitely, guys, you will get way to achieve those things. And have patience and faith in God and keep working, guys. Bye bye. Take care. I hope you may understand whatever I said.